Hello everyone, Namaste. When it comes to creativity, children beat everyone hands down. They are the master storytellers. During this lockdown, let's give them an opportunity to make their own storyboard and create their own stories. To make your own storyboard, you need a cardboard, any size, whatever is available with you, you can take that. A cardboard piece, a shoe box lid, anything you can use, whatever size you get. We need newspapers, we need tape, scissors. Again, you have to be careful when you're using scissors. One photograph and glue stick and a marker. If you don't have a marker, you can use a sketch pen, or you can also take a crayon. Children who can paint can use paint and brush to write. Those who don't have paint or brush, they can use a simple crayon to write. And we will need one plain white sheet. So this is what we will need to make our simple creative storyboard. So let's begin. First, we need to take the newspapers, and from the newspapers we need to take out our favorite pictures, the pictures what we like. Collect as many pictures as you want, and we will use the same tearing technique what we used earlier for making the puppets. So this again is a simple craft which you can independently make without the help of mama or papa, without using the scissors, and just keep tearing what all pictures you like. So the whole newspaper, just check it and collect whatever pictures you like, and we will do the storyboard from this. So like this, search from the newspaper and collect the pictures. So now I have collected lot of pictures which I liked from the newspapers, and now I need to set it on my storyboard base. I am using a shoe box cover because I want to make a bigger storyboard, and I am not using the cardboard, but you can use whatever size you find. Now when we are setting the pictures, we need to select a picture for the story which we will make a main character. Like this is a tiger picture. If you want to make a story around a tiger, put tiger in the middle. But my story is around two friends talking. See, this also I collected from the newspaper. So my storyboard will have the pictures of these two friends in the middle, and now I will have to set all other pictures all around. So you can set the storyboard putting the pictures what you want. So let's set it. So we will set all the pictures according to the size of the frame we have taken, and set them how we want our storyboard to look like. Now take the glue stick and start pasting the pictures. Now pick one picture as you are pasting so that you don't disturb your whole storyboard. So this is the way we will paste all the pictures on our storyboard. So do for all and paste. So now we have pasted all the pictures on our storyboard, and the storyboard is ready from front. But I don't like my storyboard to look like this at the back also. So what I am going to do, I am going to take that white sheet and I am going to paste it on this side. Now put the glue on the white paper and paste it on your storyboard. Now you can paste the whole sheet to cover the full storyboard, but I don't want that. You can leave it like this if you like this dog picture, but I want this to be my storyboard. So what I will do, I will again put my favorite picture on the other side. So for that, again take little tape, cut it carefully or take help, and put the tape as we put the birthday labels. So we will put it on top and on bottom. And now I will tape it on this. Now I will write what this is. So I am taking a marker and I am going to write it is my storyboard. So you can make it and write. And I am happy with my storyboard. So my storyboard is ready. I also want my storyboard to have a curtain. So let's make that. Again, take a piece of newspaper, and we all know how to make fan from the newspaper. Fold it front, back, front, back. Keep folding till the end. So we are making a fan, which we always do in our classrooms also. We are doing it with a newspaper this time, and our fan is ready. Now the curtain has to come this side. So just from the top, fold little and put the edge of your storyboard. Now I will tape it up. Take a piece of tape. Again, be careful while using the scissors. And we tape our curtain up, and we tape it on the bottom part of our storyboard. We will have to tape the same way both the sides, and our storyboard is ready with the curtains also. So now my storyboard is ready for the story. We have a sample storyboard and a sample story here. Let's listen. So this story is about two friends. I have named them Vian and Madhav. So this is the story for Vian and Madhav. They were sitting at home due to the lockdown and feeling bored. Vian called Madhav and said, "Hi Madhav, how are you?" Madhav said, "Wonderful. I am enjoying my time at home." Vian was surprised. How Madhav is enjoying? Vian said, "You are enjoying? How you can enjoy sitting at home? I am feeling as if I am closed in a cage. I am not able to go out." Madhav started laughing. See, now we know how the birds feel if we put them in cage. I am very happy at home, learning with TV. Ma'am has launched Key Kids TV and I am learning lots of activities on that TV. We are also having classes in which we are playing games and learning new things. Vian started laughing now. How we can learn on a TV, Madhav? You are joking. Madhav said, no. Have you not seen in newspaper our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, teaching all the chief ministers and talking to them on a big TV? That's how we all also are learning sitting at home. Now Vian said, right, but still I am missing. Madhav asked, what you are missing? Vian said, I am missing going to the zoo and seeing the tigers and the bats. I am missing playing in the garden. I am also missing taking my doggy out with my papa on the scooter. We both enjoyed that time so much. Now my doggy has also become lazy. My doggy is not eating food properly. My doggy is just sleeping, not doing any activity. I don't know when this lockdown will open and I will be able to again be free and go out. Madhav said, Vian, lockdown will not open on its own. It is not that one person will stand with a finger and will save all of us from this virus. We have to be together. How our Prime Minister also said, if we will be together, we can stay safe. So if we will stay at home, we will stay safe and then we can win over this virus together again. And you don't need to be feeling bored sitting at this time. Get up, start doing the activities, and next time when the class is there, do join and do the activities, and it will be so much fun when we all will be together on the TV. We cannot come to each other's house, but we can see each other on TV during our online classes. So see you there. Bye.